Please, God, make Mom cook potato toppers tonight.
Oh, how long has it been since you had the meal that made you feel this good? Introducing, of course, the plumpest, crunchiest, the best tasting potato toppers on the market today. CICADA potato toppers from the Bombay Foods. They're high in the vitamins and the fibers and very much easy to prepare. Would you be in a hurry? Is no problem. Thanks to the pre-measured flavor-sealed crisper packets, the hard work has been already done before you. That's right, you can be enjoying the absolutely fantastic home-cooked side dish in less than the 5 minutes. It is best to start by sprinkling the thin layer of the secret yummy spices over the favorite potato dish. It does not matter if it be fried, of course boiled, or perhaps baked. Then garnish liberally with the delicious plump flavor-filled freeze-fried crispers. Add the top layer of the seasoning, and before you would know it, you of course would be enjoying the budget dining at its finest. It is of course unbelievable. Just look at the scrumptious toppers. And they're also great as the snack right from the bag. So wake up the boring everyday potato dishes with these new CICADA potato toppers. They are the 100% natural, full chocked with the protein and guaranteed of course crunchy.
They're mighty good.
Well, have your credit card ready and call 1-800-646-3173. CICADA potato toppers are not sold in stores and quantities are limited, so call now. 1-800-646-3173. That's 1-800-646-3173.
Yes, again, that would be, of course, 1-800-646-3173. Call now. Please very much.